Mamacita, and welcome back to my channel. It is one of those times where we are so freaking excited because we received the monthly Barbella Box. Yes! Okay, so if you guys are into fitness, you love fitness products, you love working out, okay, maybe you don't have a real big love for working out, but you're just getting started and you want to love to work out, well, there's certain products and certain items that could definitely motivate you to get you in the groove and get you to that point of loving working out. And Barbella Box is one of those fun subscription boxes that you pay a monthly fee for, and you get different products every single month related to fitness. So I have received different items from snack items to clothing items to even fitness equipment. So if you guys want to check out previous videos that I've done for Barbella, go ahead and click the link up top there and check those out. And now we are going to unveil the August 2020 Barbella Box. And you guys, I could not be more excited for this. This box is a $50 per month subscription, and you always receive at least double the value in this box. So I am so excited to see what is in this one. It's a little heavy, and I hear something in there making a little bit of noise that I'm really excited to see what it is. Okay, so let us go ahead and unbox this August 2020 Barbella Box. Let's do it.
Eventually.
Strong is beautiful. Yes, indeed it is. So let us open it. I have not opened it yet, so this is a surprise for me too. Open it up. Ta-da-da! Ooh, what is in there, Prince? What is in there? Okay, so first up, this is called the, sit down baby, sit down. The backyard burn box. Okay, so inside it shows all of the items that are included in the box on this postcard. Enjoy this month's versatile hand-selected products that push you to get outside and crush your workouts. I do a lot of at-home workouts, so these types of items are always so much fun for me to get. I think there's a food item in here. I think that's why he's like so curious. Okay, so let's just take a look at that one first. First item here is Purely Elizabeth peanut butter bar. Well, look at that. It's probably what he wants, is this peanut butter bar for sure. It's grain-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO. It's sweetened with coconut sugar. So check that out. Whole food nuts plus seed bar. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. Next up, we have a pork stick. Oh, I love these. I love these different beef sticks, pork sticks. These are great for snacks. So good. So good. Okay, next up we have, look at this, a Hydra Cup separate from the pack. Look at that. It's a mixer bottle. Prince wants to open it. This is a 32-ounce high-performance dual shaker bottle, and the value on that is, let me see here. No. $12.99 value on this bottle. Awesome. If you're into fitness, this is definitely a must-have, and there's never enough of these in my house. Awesome. Next up, we have, what are these little things here? Essential Face Wipe, 4-in-1. 4-in-1 face wipe. Okay, this is a $2.60 value. Basically leaves your skin feeling refreshed, firm, and alive. So after you're done sweating it out, you can take one of these bad boys and use it to clear off all that sweat and nasty off your face. So there are 2 of these in there. So enough to give it a good try and see what you think. Don't chew that up, baby. Okay, next up we have Ursa Major Hoppin Fresh Deodorant. Okay, I've received a few boxes already from Barbella, and I have not received deodorant yet, I don't think. So this is super, super to try. The value on this is $12.50 value. It says it's a natural deodorant, eliminate odor, absorbs moisture. I can't talk right. Absorbs moisture and soothes skin. So it's supposed to give you an all-day fresh feeling. Let's take a little smell. Oh yeah, it does. It smells fresh. Very fresh. Gear Suspension Trainer. The ultimate full body workout tool that can take you anywhere. Set it up on a door, branch, or rig, and you're ready to get an effective workout anytime. Look at this, you guys. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, we are gonna have to try this out in one of our other videos. This is gonna be so cool. You guys, you know what? The value on this is $85. $85 value. I'm excited to try this. We might have to use it in a workout with me video for sure. So it comes in this bag. And you can, I think I'm just gonna use it right on my door. That would be perfect for a good workout. And I love doing rows, like lift up rows. So this is gonna be awesome. And then finally, our last item we have is Barbella Tropics Razorback Tank. $15 value. It's a breathable tank. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Oh, cute. Look at that, you guys. It has the cute barbell on it. That is adorable, and I love yellow. This is so fun. So this size is a medium tank. That's what I wear. So how fun is that? OMG. Okay, so if you add up all of these items, you guys, it is well over $130 value on this. So this thing here, I am so pumped to try this out. This is the suspension trainer, and I can't believe that. $85 value right here. The tank top, which is so super cute. You can never have enough cute tanks to work out in. The shaker bottle, 32 ounces, and I love red, so this is really adorable. Then we have the fresh deodorant, which is super awesome to try, and the facial wipes, and then of course the 2 snacks that little Princey boy wants to try. So all of that in one box, freaking amazing. $50 for Barbella Box per month, and you get all of these awesome products. And yeah, so in my description, you guys, I'm going to leave all of these items in there along with a link for Barbella Box if you want to check it out for yourself. Get these fun products for yourself every single month. It is like Christmas every single month with Barbella Box. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. It was so awesome to open this up for you guys. And Prince had a blast. I know that. Didn't you, buddy? Was that fun? Was that so fun? Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give me a like, a comment, and subscribe if you want to check out more videos by me weekly. Get notified. Ring that bell. Thank you guys so much. We will see you real soon.